Hello everybody, I'm Rixie. For people that don't know, I'm well known for being a memer, probably for sharing stuff, I don't know. So this is what it is. I wanted to share some knowledge I found out. Before anything, I want to apologize because I know my English isn't the best. Nor is my Japanese, I don't speak in Japanese. Luckily, I don't need to say anything in Japanese because the name of the movie is technically not Japanese. So yes. So this is about Netro Moon. Netro Moon was a movie that Rebel made the ending 2004. And we knew that Rebel made the ending and is the one that's playing right now, and is RMR is singing it. So why I'm talking about this, you ask? Well, I was searching about it on the past, on the Wayback Machine. So I found out this. This says that no, here, music, Rebel, music production, Rebel. Sorry, Sonorizon. I cannot read them. So I was like, why is Rebel and Sonorizon named as the music when he only made the ending? That's weird. The only other person that's naming is this task that I don't know what's the Japanese name. It's whatever is in here. So I was like, what is this? So I put a mission and decide I need to watch this movie. Before entering there, I need to explain something. You look at this and you think, oh, it's a cute movie for kids, right? No, it's not. So this, how to say it, this is a little fan service about lollies. Yes. So Rebel made a movie music for lollies. So this is the main lolly. She show up. This is a super short explanation. She showed up naked. This is the older lolly, and this one is covered on syrup. This only show up on one scene that's like half a second. I don't know what's here she on the cover. And this one, she only show up on the bathroom peeing. Yeah, I don't know why people listen to this, sorry. So I make the sacrifice, and I'm going to explain you the movie so you don't have to make the sacrifice unless you want, but it's not like a good movie. I end having fun only because I made fun of the movie, but that's all. So let's start. So the movie is about these people that make it. Oh wait, let's stop. Or Mari, please, could you stop? Thank you. So this movie is about these people that's making the articles for the magazine, I guess. So they need to work and they are on the deadline and they all fall asleep. So apparently this is normal for them. And what happened is that at 9 the ducks show up. So this is the duck and this is his sister. So what they do is that they finish their work. So that's what normal happens, right? So this is normal, like, yeah, normal life. So this duck, yes, he's a pirate. Let's just say it right now. So they are working, and suddenly from the computer there is a girl talking about with them. Sorry. So she's asking for help, and I'm going to need to skip it because she show up. This is the scene that she show up naked. So it's like let's play the naked. It's like the common 19th anime that they are naked transforming and they are covered in light. But she's saying like I'm the perfect girl because I don't poop and I don't eat and yeah I perfect for you. It's weird. So the thing is that she says they are kidnapping the lollies, and the dog is the hero. There is no explanation why he's the hero. Um, uh, this is this is what. Let me get ahead. This is what the movie is about. Yes, it could mean that I be surrounded by young girls.
胸がでっかりついてるにうて猫ナースにメイドに女子高生がいっぱいいっぱいいっぱい
Okay, yes. Okay, so I was like, yeah, I continued looking at the movie, and I want to pay attention to him.
チューしっかり捕まってはいくしゃー
Did you hear?
今の声
Did
は
you hear that? Now hear this.
ビスケかちゆちゃんお兄ちゃんきっとお役に立ってみせますお兄ちゃん
Yeah, that was our Mari. That's our old sweet our Mari. I hear this and the other battle scene, and it was like that's so rebel battle scene. So it means Remo made the music for this movie. Our Mari is singing some parts, and I was so surprised. So I had to continue watching the movie. So to keep explaining, so they save Syrup Lolly. She's my favorite. I don't know why. So the dog's sister is kidnapped, and this samurai man out of nowhere saved her. Stop all these mean girls with one attack, and he undressed them. I'm not going to show that anyway. So they meet lolly number 3, and the first lollies meet this man that's apparently somebody from actual Japan, and he voiced him, and I don't really care. So anyway, the ducks end here. Purple land.
兄さんも好きでんな。
お前もなとりあえずここから調べてみますか
I don't know why Rebel made music for this movie. So yes, let's continue. So stuff happened. Let's see. The dogs are reunited again, and the evil people show up again, and Samurai Man is cool, I guess. And I wanted to point out this. Where is it?
するな。すでにバレている。
マジっすか
Is this one? No, it's not this one. Anyway, sorry. Yeah, I got my timing wrong. Oh, here.
女はどうした？
さっきまで一緒だったんですが
So, yeah, the dark sister is kidnapped again, and then
ご主人様です
it's the Black Raider.
せっかく助け出したところご苦労だが
The black horse is showing up.
ふざけるな隠れてないで出てこい
Oh
堂
man,
々と勝負しろ
I'm so happy I am watching
お
this.
前たちか
Only because I found
ここは危
this.
険だとりあえず外に
Anyway,
勇者様の早く
so stuff keeps happening, and the thing is that the dog sister is kidnapped and is inside a dragon.
キャラ界に合う
So the lollies use their power to summon a robot
に危機が迫って
that have something.
空より舞い
Um,
その名も
oh,
中華
we are not going to talk about this. Yes, let's not talk about that.
行け勇者へ
So the dog gets inside the robot and start fighting the dragon, and he's like,
所詮衛星勇者の力の
I need to save my sister, I don't want to hurt her. Yeah, don't worry about me.
可愛い妹を
And this is the Black Order dude.
ランナー
こいつを倒さなければ
So
すりゃいいんだよ
yeah, this is what's happening, and this is the robot power. The robot power is on some place that it shouldn't be there. So the dog is like, I don't want to hurt her, and he ends shooting using his weapon. Anyway, the dog sister is fine. He saved her, and he's playing a music that is really cute.
大事な妹だ
And lastly, the ending start. And that's a movie. And you now don't need to watch it and don't need to see the transition image where the lolly is naked on the tub. You can see their little glasses. Yeah, I'm saving you from that. Anyway, this is what the movie wants you to know. The story is a work of fiction. There is no relationship between characters in the story and existing people or companies. It is also not the intent of the creator to promote erotic service and scenes. So don't misunderstand us for trying to get a laugh at lusty older brothers figures. So even the people that make the movie know it's creepy and weird to make a movie about a dog that destined for young ladies and lollies. So yes, well, that's a lot, right? Anyway, everything of this is for saying about this. So what happened? I ended ripping every piece of audio. I was listening to them and I wasn't sure was Rebel make all the movie music. So I had to ask somebody. So I asked my friend Ghosty and he helped me a lot. So we came to a conclusion. Rebel didn't make every single audio. At least that's what we think, because some audios doesn't sound like Rebel. We don't know, maybe it's Rebel and it's just really different, or maybe it's not. What do we know is that there are a lot of audios that's Rebel or there is Armory singing. Also, it's really interesting because this music have a lot of vibe from what was the era for Rebel, all the BGM's music for the visual novels. They sound really similar, and also a lot for Doujin era. There is a lot of chronic vibes, but what's more interesting for me is that there's beats that sounds like Rebel Default, which is something that came so much later. So it's so wild. So yes, this is why I want to share it. Because I was about to share all these files, and there is one missing because I need to redo it because I make a mistake. But I'm going to share this, and I want to explain the story behind it because I find it super interesting and stupid. Because this movie is weird, and I don't know why Rebel made music for it. I guess money, probably. I understand, and also I want you to see this. They release an actual toy. That's the robot with a PP weapon. Bless Japan for being weird. Anyway, that's everything I want to share. I hope that you found this interesting, or at least have some fun. And I hope you enjoyed this because this is weird. It's finding new old stuff. So that's all. Goodbye.